Hello YouTube, this is Jay Techie with a video for you guys today, and today I'm going over Suno.com, and it's a tool that generates AI music, and it actually is pretty good quality in my opinion. Without further ado, let's get started. And so, as you can see here, I have the screen here where you're presented with these different prompts here that you can go through. It's kind of just a visual that you're presented with when you first go onto the site. But yeah, and it will play a sample song for you about each of these prompts here. And so once you get past the screen, you can go to your login and log into the site. And basically what you're presented here is with a interface where you can type the song that you want and it will generate that song for you. And I'm going to go ahead and type something in here. I know the Sonic movie is out, and so let's say make an original theme song for Sonic the Hedgehog. Make it up make it fast paced and upbeat. And I never tried this one yet, so we're gonna see what it generates together here. So it says, make an original theme song of Sonic the Hedgehog, make it fast paced and upbeat. And I'm gonna add a little something as well. I'm gonna say a male lead vocalist with backup with settle backup singers. Let me try that. So make an original theme song of Sonic the Hedgehog. Make it fast paced and upbeat. Male lead vocalist with subtle backup singers. Let's try that. And yeah, I'm not sure how this will sound. We're going to be hearing this for the first time together. And we're going to, see how it is. So there's two, it generates two versions, and they're calling it Sonic Speed, fast paced theme, pop rock, Sonic. And I'm going to go ahead and play this. Running through the hills so free, gotta go real quick, you see. Rings and loops and jump so high, living life up in the sky. Chasing dreams in every zone, speed of light, I'm never alone. Enemies won't face my might, blazing trails until the night. Bluebird on the
friends all across the land. Dr. Eggman on my tail, but I'll never down or fail. Chaos emeralds in hand, saving friends all across the land. Dr. Eggman on my tail, but I'll never down or fail. Friends are here to back me up. Knuckles, tails, we never stop. Racing to the finish line. Together we are so divine. Blue blur on the horizon. Feel the thrill, can't stop the rising. Fast and fearless, gotta go. Sonic speed, it's all I know.
Well, that's enough of that one. It's it actually generates pretty decently long songs. It's over 2 minutes and 20 seconds of song. And in my opinion, that one was okay. It wasn't the best I've ever heard. And let's test this other one and see how this one sounds.
Running through the hills so free. Gotta go real quick, you see. Rings the lips and jump so high. Living life up in the sky. Chasing dreams in every zone. Speed of light, I'm never alone. Enemies will face my might. Blazing trails until the night. Blue blur on the horizon. Feel the thrill, can't stop the rising. Fast and furious, gotta go. Sonic speed, it's all I know. Chaos emeralds in hand, saving friends all across the land. Fast and furious, gotta go. Sonic speed, it's all I know.
All right. That one was a little better in my opinion. And I'm gonna show you guys a couple songs that I made before recording. And so one of my ones that I liked was a Lion King theme song that I put in this program to create. And so it sounds pretty good. And let me go ahead and play it here.
Underneath the golden sky, where the wild winds play, echoes of a lion's cry paint the start of day. A young heart strong and free.
I want to also mention it actually starts out on the slow side, but it actually really picks up surprisingly. Let's see if you guys agree.
Seeks a path untold, eyes wide on the majesty of stories they unfold. We are the heartbeat of the land. Together we stand tall, with courage hand in hand. In the great circle we call. Whispers of the ancient kings guide us through the trials. In every challenge life brings, we rise with fearless smiles. From dawn till the final light, we guard this sacred place. Together in our might, we find our destined grace. We are the heartbeat of the land. Together we stand tall, with courage hand in hand. In the great circle we call. We are the heartbeat of the land. Together we stand tall, with courage hand in hand. In the great circle we call. We call.
I thought that one was actually quite catchy. It did start off kind of slow, but kind of really picked up there. And I also want to show you that you can also make different styles of music. Like on here's a Lion King theme song that I prompted it to create. That's actually a rap song, and take a listen.
It's hit the jungle steady, rockin' Simba on a mission. Mufasa's legacy kept it real with precision. Scar scheming dirty with a sinister vision. Circle of life, man, that's our tradition. Hakuna Matata, warriors hit the ground. Kuba Timon by my side, we profound. Going through the pond, there's no time for a frown. Destiny's a king's crown, let it be renowned. Hakuna Matata, warriors hit the ground. Kuba Timon by my side, we profound. Going through the pond, there's no time for a frown. Destiny's a king's crown, let it be renowned. Rafiki showed the light bridge to a new dawn. Visions in the stars, memories never gone. Simba stepped up, yeah, he righted the wrong. Took the lion throne where the strong belong. Hakuna Matata, always hit the ground. Pumbaa Timon by my side, we profound. Rolling through the prime, there's no time for a frown. Destiny's a king's crown, let it be renowned. Hyenas blind, now they can't phase the vibe. Not by his side, love keeping it alive. For the pride rock, look how high we rise. King of the jungle, strength in his eyes. From a cub to a ruler, journey so divine. Taught by the ghosts, inherit the lion's spine. Music in the wild beats of a timeless rhyme. Legacy eternal, story etched in time.
Wow. I think AI is really improving, and that was completely AI generated, surprisingly. And yeah, I mean, this is a pretty good software. It's pretty simple, It wants you just to simply, enter in a prompt, and if you guys want to, check this out, go to suno.com and you can generate your songs, and you can also share them and copy the link and check out the lyrics. And you can also upload a sample of your own audio as well, which I haven't tested that feature out yet, but that probably is a good feature that you can try. And so, yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys today on this video. And as always, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day, and peace.